This is the Radioactive Decay Interactive Calculator, which solves nuclear decay problems by calculating remaining amounts, time elapsed, half-life, decay constant, activity, and initial amounts. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate remaining amount, calculate time elapsed, calculate half-life, calculate activity, calculate decay constant, and calculate initial amount from activity. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Remaining Amount. The input fields include initial amount N0, remaining amount N, time elapsed T, half-life T12, decay constant L, and activity A. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for initial amount N0, and 10 for both time elapsed and half-life. After clicking Calculate, the results show remaining amount N equals 5,000 E plus 0, which is 5. The percentage remaining is 50%, meaning exactly half the original material remains. The decay constant L is calculated as 6.935 E2 per time unit. The amount decayed is 5,000 E plus 0, showing that 5 units have decayed. The number of half-lives is 1,000, confirming that exactly one half-life period has passed, which makes sense since our time elapsed equals our half-life input. This calculator streamlines radioactive decay calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.